So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to crop images on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up, I want you to go to the top and press on that purple square. And you can either add a photo from your library or whatever, but for this example, I'm just going to go ahead, select a photo right here. And how about select a photo right here of these like pencil crayon things. Now, if you want to crop the image, it's pretty straightforward. Go ahead and I want you guys to press on the image right here, and I want you guys to hold it down. So once we're here, double tap like this. Where it says auto crop, you can auto crop if you want, or what you can do is just have the outline right here. And if you wanted to maybe crop it a little bit like this, you can do that. Press the check mark right there, and then all of a sudden you've cropped your photo. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to crop images on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.